I wonder if technology has made us abdicate responsibility for things. In fact, I'm sure it has. How often do I hear of people when I'm talking to them on client sites where they say, I sent someone an email about that and I never heard back. Now, technology is about productivity. It's not about abdication of responsibility. Too often in today's world, we're expecting the technology to do the heavy lifting for us. Reality is we need to drive it. We need to moderate it like a curator of content. We need to think about what are the outcomes we want. And when we activate something and ask somebody to do something, that we don't expect that technology is going to fill the gaps and read our minds. Reality is when it gets to do that, we're going to be in a lot of trouble and potentially none of us are going to have any jobs. We need to think about application and not abdication. We need to think about how we're using technology to connect with one another to drive results rather than just give people more things that they need to do, more tasks that they need to complete, things that they need to add to their never-ending to-do list. We need to focus on what really matters in our business day. And if we focus on those one or two things, that's where the productivity lies.